SAP End User Customization. This chapter explains how to modify the user parameters such as personal data to communication data, time zone, date and time field format, attributes for printing, etc. Maintain user profile. Click System on the menu bar. Select user profile own data as specified in the following screenshot. The following screen appears with options to change the following properties. 1. Date format. 2. Decimal notation. 3. Log-on language. Use this option if we want to open SAP in a different language other than English. 4. Time zone. 5. Spool control. This option will set up the default printer on which your documents will be printed until and unless the printer is changed at runtime or programmatically. These options are already defaulted by SAP, which the users can customize as per their preference. In addition, SAP also provides options to change your personal information such as first name, last name, email ID, and mobile number of the specified user ID. These fields can be maintained in the Address tab.